Hey there guys, welcome to I think it's day 20. Today we're doing HackerRank climbing the leaderboard. This is a really like it's not long, but it's just a very wordy problem, which it doesn't seem too difficult. But it is the first medium I'm doing on HackerRank, so like who knows? But basically, we're given a ranked array, so this has a bunch of different uh you know random people. It doesn't matter what their name is, but it has a bunch of different scores in ascending order or in descending order, and then we're given a player array, and in this player array we're given what their score is after each game. Okay, so essentially we have to return the score of the person after each game. So if after it's 199 to 80, after game 1 she has 70 points, so she's fourth. After game 2 she's 80 points, so she's third. And then after game 3 she's 105, which means she's first, so you return 431. So we'll test it out, we'll try some stuff. So one thing I think I want to do is I want to make it a if the ranks are doubled, then what I want to do is I want to make it a set. So I'm gonna say ranked equals set ranked. This means I don't have to deal with the duplicates. So it'll just be 190 80 instead of 190 90 80, and like I don't want to deal with all that stuff. And then I'll do so for game in player. Right. So this is just for each of the games we're playing. For score. No, for game. And then we'll do for score in ranked. If we want to get the first one that it's that so no, we'll do for I in range 0 to then ranked, and then we can call it score here, and then we'll do, so we want the first one where it's over. So if score is bigger than so if score is bigger than ranked at I, okay, we need a trigger variable. Trigger equals 0. Let's just say trig because it's short. Oh wow, trig equals 0. No, trig equals 1, right? So this means we've already done something with it. So score is less than, or score is bigger than ranked at I. If it's equal to it, if score is bigger or equal to rank to I, trig equals 1, and then we'll do trig equals 1, and then we'll do, just gonna create a new res equals boom res dot append I plus 1, and then we'll go here at the end of this if I wanted to go through the whole for loop. If trig equals 0 still, res dot append len ranked. Well, if there's there's gonna be 3 places, len ranked plus 1. Let's run this off the bat. I don't think it's gonna work yet, but I just want to see what I'm looking like. Oh, cool. Oh, it's a set. It's a set now. Wait, is it? Type set is not subscriptable. Oh, sad. Can we just do these brackets? Does that even work? Not callable. There's definitely brackets for this. Like, I did an exercise with this. How to get... What's this called? Rid of hiccups. Damn, I have crazy searches. I did not search these up. I got Google tripping, bro. I'm getting distracted. What's the these items for X in the sets. I'm forgetting forgetting the word here. The word for like what this is. Like, I know this is the like rank that I gives you the value, but I is like the oh, cool. Set in Python. Alright, you know what? Well, I give up. We're gonna do it the other way. So we're gonna do 4 pause in ranked. So for position ranked, right? We have position, and we're gonna make an x variable. X equals 0. At the end, we're gonna do x plus equals 1, and then we'll do if pause is bigger. Pause is less than score, then we'll do the stuff where we do trig equals 1, res dot append x. We'll start with 1 then. Whatever. Actually, we could just do. Is it gonna work? No errors? No. Okay. Res dot append So maybe I just don't know how to like make code today. None type. So I just... Oh, we're not returning anything. Okay, sorry about that. So wrong answer. My output is 6. Let's go. The answer should be 6, 4, 2, 1. We got 6. Six, 3, 5, 2. Damn, we're cooking up. Okay, this is not what we wanted. 25. Pause has to be less than score. Oh, I have to do the if trig equals 0. And then do the whole boom. We'll run it again. We'll see. Processing. We'd never even put trig back to thing, so trig equals 0. We never put it back. So 6, 3, 2, 1. And I have 6, 4, 2, 1. This one we have 6, 5, 2, 2, 1, 6, 4, 2, 1. Okay, so we're missing... Something's a little off, but we're getting towards there. Okay. Let's think. So we made it to a set for score and player. Okay. So we have each of the scores, right? So it's, for example, right, we're testing with 4 scores. So 5. Oh, wow. 5. For 5, 25, 50, and 120. Okay. So 5, 25, 50, 120. Can't write that. Can I write that down? 120. So let's look at this, and we'll say, okay, so set equals whatever this is, res equals for score and player, so we'll start with 5, x equals 1, and trigger equals 0, right? For position in ranked, for pause in ranked, okay? If trigger equals 0, then we're gonna check, okay, if position, so don't need to do all this, I can just, we'll copy this, and then we'll just, like, use our brain, maybe. So if position is less than score, so if score is bigger, if score is bigger than the score of the position, okay, and trigger is equal to 0, trigger is gonna equal to 1, and then we're gonna append x, right, which should get plus each time. Alright, because the first time it goes through it's at 1, and the second time it's at 2, and that's what we want, right? Else, when we want to trigger equals 0, 0, res dot append x. Right, so at the end, when we're done going through, for example, right, it's going to go position and ranked. It's going to keep going for, if there's a, it's going to be what? We'll take this one, for example. If there's 3, it'll go 1, 2, 3. So I'm confused. This is the exact same code, but it's the same problem, right? Oh, this one I just, decided to not run the... when I control Z, I didn't run the thing. Output 6-3. Cool. 6-3 instead of 6-4, 2-1. I literally didn't change anything except for doing that. I hate these lines. I hate this. I don't like this code. Oh, I didn't put trig. And this one I get, okay, so the only thing that's wrong is this one. And so for my second variable, right, 25, let's just make a new array. So 100, 50, 40, 20, 10. Okay. First one is position 6. That one works. Okay. Catching. The second one, 25, it's putting it 1, 2, 3, 4. Position 1, position 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3. It should be 4th. It should be 4th, but I'm putting it 3rd, right? Yeah. That's the problem I'm having. So I'm putting it. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy paste this all into Visual Studio Code, right? The goat right here. Hopefully I don't have crazy things open right now. New file, test 67.py works fine with me, and we'll do this. Oh my god! So they actually print res. Cool. I don't know. Indentation. Oh, that's fine. Yeah, we need to remove an indent. Just one though. And then we'll go. So ranked equals. Just get the list. We'll do it with we'll delete that for now. And player equals. And I want to run this. Amazing. Didn't save it. 6, 3, 2, 1. So I want to print out X, and I want to print ranked, so I can see what I'm printing. I'm printing. Whoa, 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 whoa. You tell me it's not sorted? Whoa. If I create. So the problem is, essentially, our thing just decides that it wants to just sort of mess up the order. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna go s equals set Python. Convert a list to a set Python, keeping order. Convert ordered list to ordered set. Changes element order. So this is the problem I'm looking for. Interesting. B doesn't really need to be ordered. You could set as well as that. For X in A, if X not in B. Whew, hold on. So when that isn't, we're gonna try this, which is gonna be VS Code. We're gonna try going sorted set at ranked. We're gonna say just X, no, not X. What's a test equals sorted set ranked key rank dot index, and we're gonna print out print test. So we'll delete print ranked, and we'll delete print ranked here. Let's see what happens. Okay, bet. So we just have to delete this too. Forgot about that. Okay, so this actually did work. So all we had to do before climbing the leaderboard was we had to change the way we defined our set ranked. So ranked equals that. Let me make sure that if I 6431. I don't think that's supposed to be the answer. It's supposed to be 6421. Whoa. Print out ranked. Print ranked. Okay, so we're having a little bit of an issue here. Go here. The numbers are 50 and 120, right? 50 should be in position 2. But I'm putting it in position 3 because it's not bigger. So do I have an equal sign? I don't. Query the console, paste it up, 6421. Okay, so everything worked. I changed my ranked thing here, and I put an equal sign here. When I run this code, it should work just as planned. Okay, that stuff worked just as planned. Please, test cases. I have a bad feeling about this. Too much time. Don't say too much time. Time limit exceeded. So I guess it should break. I don't want to keep going through. So I can just do, I can repeat the len ranked +1 here. And then setting this, I just break. Oh, didn't see that. Would this give me the same over here? No, it didn't. It gave me 6411. This is bad. Oh, I need the x plus equals 1. Submit the code. Are we gonna get these solutions to work now that I'm breaking afterwards? Which should help. So it's like I don't have to do as much. 4 loops. Okay, we're gonna look at test case 7. not. So it's giving you. It's just instant. Oh my god. I had a little test case then. If min at player is bigger than ranked this is a crazy code. I'm gonna submit it again. I don't think it's gonna work though. We'll just look up the solution. Unfortunate, but that's just, you know, what has to happen. So yeah, we'll delete this because, you know, unfortunate, and then we'll go climbing the leaderboard. So Python HackerRank climbing the okay. You see this one?
Hey everyone.
The sort list. It's a list of okay. So he sorted it normally, just like a normal person.
We will see this with an X. 80, 90. The Alice code keeps on increasing after. Let's run the code.
So what he did instead of creating a new list with them, he appended them to the other list. For all scores in Alice, okay, so for Alice's scores in Alice, while I is less than n, and scores at I. I'm seeing he's appends n minus I, the difference is plus 1. Is this even gonna work?
It passed the sample test case. Let's submit it.
It did work. But would
it passed the sample code?
Huh. I feel like but if you append something, then when you go through it again, would you not just add an extra I? Which is like what I don't understand. Or n is less than. Oh, but I'm appending it still. If I'm going from 0 well, I is less than n. This is assuming that they're sorted. And are they sorted? They are sorted. They are sorted. No, he's not even. No, he's creating a new thing too. I don't understand though. He sets it to I, 0, and he says okay, and scores it. Well, I is less than n, and scores that I is less than whatever I is at. Oh, cause he sorts it in ascending order instead of descending order. Okay. So, and because it's setting it in ascending order, he knows that it's gonna take this one and this one and this one instead of taking this one and this one and this one. Oh, so that's actually interesting. It's actually a good solution. It's kind of similar to mine in like the logic, except I just like I'm not him. But so we'll just. But he does have. Oh, forgot that. Scores is. Okay, we're just gonna. And then we'll do so 4. Well, I is less than n. That's genius. I never thought of putting it into, cause yeah, if I put it into, like not, like if I put it into ascending order, I didn't even sort it. Then I don't have to go through it each time. Like instead of, I could just iterate it forward one time, and then put everything in. Instead of having to iterate through it, put something in, iterate through it, put something in, iterate through it, put something in. I plus equals 1, and then at the bottom here we have the result dot append, res dot append n minus I plus 1, pretty sure, and then here we should return res. Does that make sense? We'll see. Okay, and it did work, and then it did work. Alright, well, so that was climbing the leaderboard. It did take me a lot longer, I won't lie, to do this one, but I now understand the way I was trying to do it. It was it wasn't bad. It works. It's just like for the longer ones, it didn't work. I was iterating through the array too much, and then in his solution, what I thought is that he was iterating through it in descending order, which would mean he'd have to it wouldn't work. But now that it's in ascending order, you just have to iterate through the array one time, and then you'll have everything in by the end of the one time. So it's like a lot faster solution. But I'll see you guys tomorrow.